I'm Chef Mehdi. I'm going to show you how to separate eggs. Sometimes you need just the egg whites or the egg yolks. Here's a few different methods to do that. First, you want to grab the egg and crack it firmly onto the table. And the first traditional method is just using the eggshell to separate the two and just going back and forth. You're going to let the egg white drip, being sure not to puncture the egg yolk. And then in another bowl, you can put your egg yolk in there. The second method, you use your fingers, so you have to make sure you wash them very well. Again, just a firm crack. And then you would empty it right onto your fingers. Get rid of the shell and go back and forth. This way is a little bit safer because the sharp eggshell doesn't have a chance to puncture the egg yolk. And then you go. And the third method is the ninja method. You just crack the shell and just let it fall in there. And with your three fingers, just go in and grab it out and separate the two. That's probably the fastest, easiest way to do it. That's how you separate an egg.